it's Danielle. I'm back with lots of couponing deals for you. And these couponing deals are for this Saturday at Dollar General. These are going to be your 5 off 25. We have the different denominations of P&G, and we also have Gain. First, I'd like to remind you, we do have our cheat sheet. It is back up. We appreciate your patience with waiting for that to come out. We got it out. There is actually 2 parts to that, and I will have that posted on YouTube later today and also on our website. If you're new here, our cheat sheet is a great way to find substitute items when something is out of stock in store. So let's jump right into our deals. And remember, when you're doing your couponing, to scan items to make sure they attach to the coupons. So up first, we have a P&G 10 off 40, and you're going to get that 10 off 40 back after you make the purchase on Saturday. So for the Swaddlers and the sensitive wipes, you're going to pay $33.45. You're going to get back that 10 off 1001. We have 4 Easy Ups and the Pampers wipes for $30.45. Again, this is, you're going to clip that 10 off 40 coupon if that's the one that you have. For $31.20, you're going to get your Gain detergent, your softener. You're going to get 2 of the Gain Easy Squeeze and the Bounty paper towels. Again, that's $31.20. You're going to get back the 10 off 1001 if you have the 10 off 40 clipped. For this 10 off 1001 that you're going to earn back, you're going to buy your 2 Always Discreet, the Febreze Plug, the Small Spaces, and the Dawn Power Wash. You're going to pay $23.30. You're going to get back the 10 off 1001. This is the 10 off 40 P&G. Now on these P&G coupons, it will take a penny off, and we forgot to figure that in on these. So your total would be, if your total is 1 cent less, don't be alarmed. That's just the way that the coupon activates. Moving on, we are at our 8 off 30 P&G deals. You're going to get your Crest, your Oral-B. You're going to see you have toothbrushes and toothpaste and mouthwash there, and that's going to be $19.20. Again, that $8 isn't going to come off. It's going to be a coupon that you earn. For this 8 off 30, you're going to get your Gain Flings, your sheets, your Febreze Plug, and the Small Spaces for $16.35. You will get back that 8 off 801 on your account later. This deal here is also an 8 off 30 P&G. You're going to pay $20. You're going to get your Tide Simply Liquid. You're also going to get your Tide Power Packs, the $19.95 size, and you're going to pay $20.40. Again, you'll get back that 8 off 801. For this one, we're moving into our 5 off 20s. You're going to get your Tide Powder, the Scott, the Dawn, the Febreze Plug, and the Small Spaces for just $13.15. This deal here is also a 5 off 20 P&G. You're going to get your Febreze Plug, you're going to get your Dawn, your Small Spaces, your Tide, and a Colgate. So it's very similar to the previous deal, but this one is going to be $14.15, and your items are a little bit different. For a 5 off 20 P&G, you're going to get 2 of the Luvs diapers, the Mr. Clean Freak, and 2 of the Pampers wipes, and pay $37.10. And this is the 5 off 20. And then for the 5 off 15, you're going to get the Irish Springs, the soft soap, those are both body wash, the Venus razor, and 2 of the Head and Shoulders for just $12.85. You're going to earn back a 5 off 501. For $12.90, you're going to get your Small Spaces, your Venus razor, your Febreze Plug, and 3 of the Scott toilet paper. Again, $12.90. You're going to earn back that 5 off 501. On this one, it's a 5 off 15 P&G for $13.45. You're going to get your 2 different Olays that you see there, the Small Spaces and the Skintimate razor. Again, $13.45 on this one. You're going to earn that 5 off 501. This deal here is with the 3 off 10 clipped. You're going to pay $7.40. You're going to get your Febreze warmer, the Small Spaces, the Power Wash, 2 of the soft soap body wash, and the Scott Comfort Plus. That will cost you $7.40, and you'll get back 3 off 301. On this one is $8.80. You're going to get your Small Spaces, your Irish Springs Body Wash, your Mr. Clean Freak, and your Dawn Power Wash. Again, $8.80, getting back that 3 off $301. For this deal is also a 3 off $301, 2 Head & Shoulders, a Skintimate razor, an Intuition razor, and you're also going to get the Oral-B Indicator toothbrush and pay $10, and you're going to get that 3 off $301. Now we're going to move into our Gain 5 off 30 with the 5 off 25 deals. For $13.95, you're going to get 2 of the Easy Squeeze, a Dawn Power Wash, Gain Scented, Mr. Clean Freak, Gain Scented as well, and a 2-pack of the Small Spaces. Again, all these have to be Gain Scented, and you're going to pay $13.95. Make sure you scan so you know your scents or the sizes are attaching to your coupons. For this one, you're going to pay $13.05. And we're going to grab your Clean Freak, your Dawn Power Wash, your Febreze Air, the Car Clip, 2 of the Gain Easy Squeeze, a Small Spaces, and the Swiffer Duster set. And that is going to be $13.05. Make sure you scan. Everything has to be Gain Scented. These following deals are your regular 5 off 25. So you're going to get 2 of the Always Discreet. Use the coupons you see here. And you're going to pay $18.40. As with everything, always scan. Sizes, UPC changes, packaging sizing, they could all change. For $11.70, you're going to get your Bic razors, your Degree Spray, 2 of those, and 2 of the Irish Springs. We have some instant savings there, so you're going to pay $11.70 after your instant savings and your coupons. For $8.25, you're going to get your Skintimate, your Intuition, and your Bic Soleil razors, plus the Skintimate Shave Gel for $8.25. On this one, you're going to get your Irish Springs and your Soft Soap Body Wash, 2 of the Colgate Plaque Pro, the Colgate Charcoal Toothbrush, and you're also going to get that Bic Soleil razor for $12.20. On this one, you're going to get 2 of the Soft Soap Body Wash, 2 Head & Shoulders, and the Bic Soleil razor for $10. On this one here, you're going to get your U by Kotex tampons, liners. You're also going to get the 2 Carefree liners and a Motrin. I almost said Midol there. Motrin is the 20 count. You're going to pay $12.50 for this deal. On this one, you're going to get your Sparkle paper towels, your Off Deep Woods, your Stem Insect Spray, and the Raid Ant Traps for $14.24. Our next household deal is going to be 3 of the Scott toilet paper, a Dawn Power Wash, a Small Spaces, and the 2-pack of the Airwick refill oils for $11.20. We have instant savings on that Scott, so you have to make sure you account for that in your total. On this one, you're going to get your Scott, you're going to get 2 of the paper plates, and on Scott, that's 3 of them, the Power Wash, and the Febreze Small Spaces for $13.95. On this deal, you're going to get 3 of the Scott toilet paper, sorry about that. You're going to get your 2 packs of the foam plates and your Mr. Clean Freak for $13.50. Again, the Scott has the 3 off 15 instant savings. We're going to get 2 of the foam paper plates, the Hefty trash bags, Ajax, and Palmolive dish detergent, and the Scentiva cleaning spray for $13.65. That wraps up our 5 off 25 deals for you. Make sure you check out our website so you can get the other part of that cheat sheet with some of the deals explained. Be sure you like, comment, share, and follow so you get notifications when we put out new content. A free way to help us is to leave us a like, leave us a comment, share our content with your friends and family. You can find us on Facebook, obviously here on YouTube, and Telegram, including rolloutsavings.com.